Hey, what's up guys, and it's time to talk about the ultimate Samsung Galaxy plan that will help Samsung to beat everyone this year, including Apple. Sure, Samsung has made a few mistakes this year, but they do innovations that no one can deny. We're also going to be talking about the Huawei's current situation and how this is a bad news for Apple, which in return is a good news for Samsung's continued domination. Now, Samsung was the first company to do the OLED punch hole design with their Galaxy S10 devices, and only this year we see this coming to Huawei, OnePlus, and other brands. And now the next big thing after the OLED punch hole is the LTPO OLED panel, aka low temperature polycrystalline oxide. Recently, Ross Young has given us some explanation. You see, smartphones now have 120Hz display and battery consumption is fairly high. With LTPO OLED panel, we will have the intelligent variable refresh rate. According to Ross Young, when the device is not in use, the refresh rate will drop to 1 Hz, and as soon as you use it or when it is required, it will jump back to 120 Hz dramatically. This is said to greatly improve the battery life. Apple doesn't have it, and we've heard that they are not satisfied with the results they got on their 120Hz panel that they tested for the iPhone 12, so we might not see that happening. Samsung is giving them their OLED panels, but they won't be giving them this sweet LTPO tag, so this will be exclusive to Samsung flagship phones at least for the first 6 to 7 months. And the awesomeness just doesn't stop there. The Galaxy Fold 2 will be the first foldable phone to have a 120Hz display with the LTPO tech on board. This will make the Galaxy Fold 2 the only foldable phone on the market to have this, so we can agree at least in one area no one will step up to Samsung. Now, speaking of foldable phones, Ross Young has cleared some air on how Samsung will be positioning its Galaxy foldable devices. So right now, Samsung has no plan on replacing the Galaxy Note series with the foldable devices. The Z Flip is actually said to be the part of Galaxy S lineup, and the Galaxy Fold is said to be the part of the Galaxy Note lineup. So for now, we're gonna see Note, S, and foldable devices along with Z Flip to exist collectively, so nothing will be replaced at least for a few years. This is what Samsung's current strategy is. He also said that a cheaper foldable phone at $1,100 is not possible right now. So that rumor we heard a couple of days ago will probably not gonna happen. But what can happen is that Samsung could bring a Galaxy Fold 1 with a new branding at a cheaper price, but it still could be around $1,400 to $1,500. If you're gonna spend that much money, then it's better to just spend $1,700 or $1,800, whatever the price will be for the Galaxy Fold 2, which will have the best hardware and is said to be $100 cheaper than the previous generation, which is awesome. Now, nature is working in Samsung's benefit as well. Two of the biggest Samsung rivals, Huawei and Apple, they're about to go war on each other. Huawei was closing in on making the first Android 5nm chip for its Huawei Mate 40 device, but seems like that might not happen thanks to new United States restrictions. US just extended the ban on Huawei for another year. Not only that, they're trying to cannibalize Huawei's effort for their chip business. TSMC was said to be the one that is manufacturing these new chips for Huawei. Things were going smooth, but US restriction has caused a huge problem. In order to do business with Huawei, they would need to have a special license. So this means there is a possibility we might not see the 5nm chip on Mate 40 Pro, the Crane 1000, to its completion. If that doesn't happen, in response to that, China could punish US brands, especially Apple. Apple had pretty good sales in China, but this time they won't just sit quiet, and they could do serious damage with their own restrictions on these US firms that kind of depend on China for various things. So collectively, they could cause up to $35 billion of damage to US. So the whole fight between Huawei and Apple and China and US, there's one brand that is standing on the side who is still the #1 manufacturer in the world, and that is Samsung. With this whole situation and Samsung's exclusive access to the LTPO tech, they're definitely gonna beat everyone this year, at least in some areas. So yeah, definitely let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this whole Huawei situation? Do you think China should respond back with its own US restrictions and punish Apple? Drop a comment and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.